Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of negative s plus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative e to the power of negative s ds. First derivative of e to the power of negative s, we have this one. This one that is about the constant. So you got about 0. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so I will put negative go to the left. So this one will change by u. E to the power of negative s ds will change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.